Welcome to the Required Modules Training Overview. For starters, let's add a new project. Let's call this Required Modules. And I'm going to be the admin here, Help Administrator. For the members, let's add RM1, 2, and 3. Now we have 3 members in Required Modules project. In the Required Modules field, let's call this project so there's no confusion. Let's add confined space safety, basic fire extinguisher safety, and compressed gas cylinder. And then let's create it. Now in the project list, if we look at the required modules column, let's find that project we just created. There's our users. Here's the modules that are required. Clicking on a particular module will take you directly to the page to purchase it. In this case, we would need 3 for 3 members, and add to cart. Ideally, projects should have training user members who all require the same modules. In some cases, it may be better to split users up among multiple sub-projects based on which modules they need. So if only 2 of the users needed basic fire extinguisher safety, it might be better to include the 3rd user in a different project, if at all possible. So you can see there are 3 of each required currently. So let's go ahead and purchase some. Alright, so I've purchased some modules. And here we are at Assign Modules. Let's look up at Basic Fire Extinguisher Safety. You can see here's this under the Required Modules project. 3 members, 3 available. Now let's click this little plus since we have a certain number of columns showing. This Actions column got hidden. And we can assign those modules. And here you can assign all users, but that's too many. So let's see, we just want RM1, and let's say 2, and let's leave 3 unassigned for now. So let's go ahead and do the same thing with, say, confined space. And let's assign that. This time just to RM3. Now let's go back to our project. Under Manage Projects, here we are back at the Required Modules project. Now you can see we only need 1 basic fire extinguisher and 2 confined space, but all 3 of the compressed gas cylinder safety are still unassigned. Back to Assign Modules. Let's go into this confined safety, assign it again, and let's assign all 3. Assign users. Now let's look at the basic fire extinguisher again. And you can see there's 1 out of 3 available. 2 of them are assigned. If they haven't been attempted or certified, you can go back into Assign and deselect those users, either by clicking them again. See, it's 0 out of 3 now. Or by clicking the Deselect All. You can also click Clear and Save to clear assignments. So let's clear and save. Now let's go back to our project. Now you can see the confined space module has completely disappeared, but there are 3 basic fire extinguisher needed again. So once all of the required modules have been assigned, this column should be empty. So that's required modules. I hope you have a wonderful day.